Let's focus on the k sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in cat and kid, in the middle of words like in pickle, and in the end of words like in lock. To make the k sound, press the back of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Your teeth can be slightly apart and your lips relaxed. Block the airflow for a moment, then let it out with a burst. Your voice is off and your throat should feel calm without vibration. Now you try to say the k sound. Sometimes letters team up to make special sounds. These teams of letters are called digraphs. Unlike blends where you can hear each letter's sound, some digraphs make one simple sound you already know, or they create a new sound that is different from the individual sounds of the letters. These special digraphs can be found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word. The letters C and K come together to make the CK digraph. The CK digraph makes the voiceless k sound, like in the word lock. The C and K come together at the end and make the CK digraph that says k. Let's practice decoding a word with the k sound. First, look at the word. Then say each sound from left to right, remembering that the CK digraph makes the k sound. Ah, k, lock. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word lock. Have fun practicing decoding words with the CK digraph, which makes the k sound.